So Apktool is a tool for reverse engineering Android APK files. It can decode resources to nearly the original form and rebuild them after making some modifications. Of course, we've already installed it on the host machine, but we may need to use it in Kali to perform APK security testing. So let's start, see what happens. Go to Kali, log in with default credentials, Kali and Kali. Open the web browser, search for Apktool install. Click here on the first website, and here are the requirements and installation steps. And we've already installed Java, so let's double check with Java -- version. And we'll open the terminal screen. First, switch the user to root with sudo. All right, so yeah, it's the latest version of Java. Let's start to install the Apktool. First, download the script. And we'll have a look at the script. So just right-click on it and select Save Link As. And save it to the Downloads folder. Next step is to download the newest version of Apktool. So we'll open this link. And this is the download repository of the Apktool. And we can select the newest version and save the file. So I'm going to rename the Apktool jar file. Open terminal screen, change directory to the Downloads folder. And we can rename file names with the mv command. So first write the current name and give a new name. Okay, so that's changed. So the next step is to move these files to the user/local/bin folder. We'll do this with the mv command again, just by giving the location this time. Change directory to this location, and let's check on the files. All right, see, they are here. Now we need to give permission to these files to be executable. So run change mode +X, and these two files. And let's check the permissions again. All right, so now we can execute the Apktool. Great, so that completes that installation.